Hey guys, Navy RC Dude here, and I've decided to start a new series. This is going to be building only, no flying. So I thought I'd kick off this series with a very, very large F22. I have the nose over there. Just to let you know, that F5 right there is 51 inches long. And that's the nose. I made it out of 2-inch foam and 1-inch foam. And today I'm going to be attaching that and possibly doing some wiring. This new series is going to air every Wednesday on my channel, so make sure you subscribe for updates on this build. So I think I'll start with the main wing of this and show you what I've done already. Now, because this is so big, it's got a 4-foot wingspan. It's very large. It's going to have twin thrust vectoring motors in the back. This is 4 pieces of foam thick, 2 for the main piece and then 2 for the KF. Here you can see how thick it is. I need to finish the airfoil up. I used 1mm Depron for the wing itself. Now, I used a very unique method to attach all of these pieces together. If you realize, there are a bunch of holes in this. So my dad came up with the idea of putting the 4 pieces together and drilling about 60 holes in it. Then from there we took that spray insulation foam and just kind of filled it up with that. And you just sprayed it in all the holes, sprayed it around the edges, and put weights on it and had it set overnight. And then I started shaving it all off. I still have to do the front end. You can see it's still there. But it actually is holding the entire body together really nicely. And I might apply that to future times that I'm building planes like this. Or I could just use contact cement because that would be so much easier. Then in the back, I've just got a popsicle stick epoxy mount. It's on both sides. I'm using a very large carbon fiber rod in this one. You can see it right there. Then I also have a carbon fiber rod in the wing. Because this is 4 pieces thick, it is extremely rigid. Now the nose over here, as you can see, this nose is pretty hefty in comparison to even the F5, just the general size of it. For reference, here's my 51-inch F5, and it's got a 30-inch wingspan. That's just for reference of how large this jet is going to be. It is massive. So let's get to work. So now I got the front area cut out so that I can attach my nose piece. So let's do that right now. So I did a dry fit, and wow, this thing is huge with the nose on it. There's quite a bit of clearance between the plane and the ground. There's like a good 4 or 5 inches between the ground. This plane is huge. Like, this is ridiculous. We are talking a very, very large plane. Remember, the F5, 51 inches long by 33-inch wingspan. And that gaps it by quite a bit. I've got my DX7 at the nose of it down there. If you can see that little tiny thing down there. Look at that. This thing is massive with the nose on. It's got like 5 inches on me. I just stood next to it. That thing is huge. That's an average door right there. And that is very large. I know it's a 48-inch wingspan. I'm not sure how long it is. I'm about to check. I'll let you know. Guys, I just did the measurements. This thing is 70 inches long from the tip of the elevator to the tip of the nose. I was planning to have this done in like a week or so, but this size, I had no idea it was going to be this big when I finally put it together. I'm torn. I don't know whether to put a prop in it or like a giant 5-inch ducted fan. So, I don't know. Leave a comment below on what I should use for a power system. Okay, one more time for reference. I put my Twist 60, currently my largest flying plane, up next to this. It is very, very large. Okay, guys, so I just weighed the airframe. The airframe alone, I'll remind you, it's not even done, but I still have to do some sanding, weighs about 2.8 pounds. That's without any electronics. The electronics are like another 1.8 pounds. So this plane's going to weigh like over 4 pounds, about 4.6 pounds. I might have to rethink my power system because I don't think 2 microjet version 3s are going to be able to power this. So once more, leave a comment about what power system I should use below. Bye.